Let's explore how easy it is to create student groups for monitoring grade concerns. I got here by clicking on Students and Demographics. You're going to click More Search Options, and then you're going to choose Grades, Letter Grade. Now from here, you have some decisions to make. You can either let this search only be for this one section and then repeat this process for each individual course that you teach, or you can create one student group for all of your sections by clicking Search All Sections. Now for this demonstration, I want to make one because I'm going to use one blanket template. Now I'm going to come here and choose the letter grades that I want to monitor. And in my class, my grade concerns are D's and F's. This marking period is very important. This is quarter 3. I want to have the accurate running grade, so I'm going to choose quarter 3 gradebook and not just quarter 3 because that's a posted grade. The next part is so simple. Instead of choosing the courses, I'm going to click By Me, and this is going to only pull grades that students make that are below a 70 in my gradebook only. You don't want to hit the blue search button. You want to come to the top and click Save. We're going to give this a very specific name. We're going to click OK, and then we're going to go ahead and create a student group. Once we do that, you're going to see this name reflected here. Before I move on, let's go ahead and create this group for quarter 4. All you have to do is change your drop-down. Quarter 4, click Save, rename here. We want to save a copy and not save an overwrite. We're going to say yes for that student group, and now we have quarter 3 and quarter 4. Now here's a Focus Pro tip. Go ahead and make this for quarter 1 and 2. That way your entire year is done. And believe it or not, they will roll from year to year. So you only have to make them one time. Now you're going to see those two groups here in your student group dropdown. If you need to find your saved search, you can click More Search Options, Saved Searches, and you're going to find that right here. Clicking the blue search button is going to bring up those students, and if you were to click Show Courses, you're going to see that they are your courses with your grades. Now let me share another Focus Pro tip. You've created those student groups, and they're going to appear here in your communication module. This will allow you to create a template and automate messages to go to these students and their families for grade concerns. Check out our video on templates and how to schedule messages for more information. And now you've made quick and easy student groups to monitor grade concerns in Focus. Thanks for tuning in to this Byte of Tech with your student data team. Be sure to check out our wide range of videos to help you master Focus because we're united for every student to succeed.